If you think Korea is only K-pop and street food, you're half right. Today I'll show you 5 authentic Korean culture experiences travelers love, plus exactly where and how to try them like a local. Hi everyone, I'm Your Name. Whether you're planning a trip to Korea or just curious about Korean culture, this guide will help you turn nice photos into real experiences. Let's jump in. Number 1. K-pop Live and Fandom Day. It's not just a concert, it's a full-day culture dive. Start with a K-dance class in Hongdae or Gangnam. Most studios offer beginner sessions where you'll learn a chorus in an hour. Next, visit a music store for albums and photo cards. Then check out fandom cafes with themed drinks. If you're lucky, catch a music show pre-recording, or a festival, like K-Con. Even if you're new to K-pop, this day gives you the energy and community that define modern Korean youth culture. Number 2. From everyday eats to kimjang, the communal kimchi-making tradition. Yes, you can chase Michelin spots, but what foreigners rave about is everyday food. Grab gimbap and tteokbokki, try a convenience store tasting challenge, and join a market food walk. In late fall, look for kimjang classes where you'll make and pack kimchi with locals. It's hands-on, a little messy, and absolutely unforgettable. You'll taste why home food, jipbap, is the heart of Korean hospitality. Number 3. A hanbok photo walk through palaces and hanok lanes. Rent a hanbok near Gyeongbokgung and stroll to Bukchon Hanok Village or Ikseondong. You'll see Korea's old meets new in one frame, traditional rooftops, modern cafes, and street musicians. If you love night shots, check Palace evening openings. Tickets sell fast, but the glow is magical. Number 4. The Jimjilbang, Korea's 24/7 sauna culture playground. It's part spa, part community space. Rotate between heated rooms, clay, charcoal, salt, then cool down with sikye, sweet rice drink, and baked eggs. Many jjimjilbangs have nap zones and even small arcades. Think of it as wellness and hangout, exactly how locals reset after a long week. Number 5. A temple stay, meditation, tea ceremony, and dawn bells. Many temples near the city offer English-friendly programs. You'll learn seated and walking meditation, join a tea talk, and try Bal Wugong Yang, a mindful meal. It's perfect if your trip needs a quiet center. You'll leave lighter, physically and mentally. From K-pop fandom energy to temple calm, Korea's culture is something you don't just watch, you join. Which experience are you trying first? Drop your pick in the comments, save this guide for your itinerary, and subscribe for more smart Korea travel planning.